Welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Tyra Lovelace, an attorney at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today, we're embarking on a journey to demystify the process of divorce in Texas with our topic, Navigating Your Texas Divorce Papers, a step-by-step breakdown. Divorce is a significant life event that involves a series of complex legal procedures and paperwork. Whether you're initiating the divorce or responding to it, understanding the divorce papers is essential. We're here to guide you through the process step by step. Step 1, petition for divorce. The divorce process often begins with the filing of a petition for divorce. This legal document outlines essential information about the marriage, the parties involved, grounds for divorce, and the initial request regarding child custody, spousal support, and property division. Step 2, service of process. Once the petition for divorce is filed, it must be served to the other party in accordance with the Texas law. This step is crucial to ensure that the other party is aware of the divorce proceedings. Step 3, response. The responding party must then file a response to the petition for divorce. This document addresses whether they agree or disagree with the claims made in the petition and outlines their own requests regarding child custody, support, and property division. Step 4, temporary orders. In many cases, parties may request temporary orders to address immediate issues like child custody, support, and temporary possession of property while the divorce is pending. These orders help maintain stability during the divorce process. Step 5, discovery. Discovery is a crucial phase where both parties exchange information relevant to the divorce, such as financial records, documents, and evidence. It helps ensure transparency and fairness in the process. Step 6, negotiation and mediation. Many divorce cases involve negotiations and, if necessary, mediation to reach agreements on issues like child custody, support, and property division. Mediation provides an opportunity for parties to work together with the guidance of a neutral third party. The final decree of divorce is the accumulation of the divorce process. It contains the court's orders on all relevant issues, making the divorce official. This document outlines child custody, support, and property division arrangements. Let's consider a real-life scenario. To put these steps into context, imagine a married couple with children who have decided to divorce. They initiate the process by filing a petition for divorce, and the responding party files a response. Temporary orders are put in place to address immediate concerns. The parties exchange information during the discovery phase and attend mediation to reach an agreement on child custody and support. Finally, the final decree of divorce is issued, formalizing the divorce. In conclusion, divorce papers can be complex, but understanding the step-by-step process can make it more manageable. It's essential to seek legal guidance to navigate these legal documents and ensure your rights and interests are protected throughout the divorce. You're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of divorce and family law. If you have questions or need legal assistance related to divorce, child custody, or any other family matters in Texas, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more valuable information. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.